In this video clip, we learn how to use Excel data table to run a two-way sensitivity analysis. We want to calculate x plus y. So here we use x values from 1 to 10 in column G here. And for y values, we consider 1 through 5 in row 2 here, okay? And here we need to carefully lay out x and y like in here. Of course, we can change x to be in a row and y in a column. Either way is fine. So in this corner cell, we need to type the formula. Here is x plus y here, b1 plus b2. Okay, then we carefully change or select the range from G2 to L12. Okay, then we click data, what if analysis, data table. Okay, and row input cell, be careful, row is for our y, right? So we put here the cell B2. Column input cell is for column G here, okay? So that is for x. X is B1. Then we click OK. You see, we calculate x plus y for all the combinations of x and y values in the table here. Okay, this is a two-way data table in Excel.